A lot of people ask us if Herbie spices are vegetarian and vegan. Well, actually, one of the very good things about all of our products, the individual spices and also the spice blends, is that we list 100% of all the ingredients that are in the pack. You will also notice that we use no milk solids, we don't use any fillers, we don't use any artificial ingredients, we don't even use something like honey powder to sweeten. So actually every Herbie's product is vegan and vegetarian. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you see a product that might be something like a butter chicken, well, don't think that that's made for only using with chicken, because a butter chicken spice blend is a beautiful combination of spices which will go well with a whole range of vegetables. And you can follow the recipe on the pack or have a look at the recipes on our website, and you can simply substitute the meat for vegetables. Now, you'll also find that there are a lot of spice blends that are specifically vegetarian. So for instance, for many years we've been making a vegetable curry, which is a lovely light curry, one the whole family can enjoy. And very recently we've just launched a new spice blend which is called an Aloo Gobi Masala. Aloo simply means potato, Gobi means cauliflower, and Masala means spice blend. And you can make a really delicious, beautiful potato and cauliflower curry that the whole family will enjoy. If you have any questions about Herbie spices, please go to our website, fill in the contact us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. So, happy spicing!